The overall goal of this experiment is to obtain high-temperature adsorption isotherms of gases on Zeolite H-ZSM-5 or other microporous materials, using an adsorption measurement device based on a Langatate crystal microbalance.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of high-temperature gas adsorption measurement of microporous materials, such as how to synthesize microporous materials on a high-frequency oscillating microbalance.
The main advantage of a method based on high-frequency oscillating microbalance is that it is more affordable than commercialized volumetric and gravimetric methods.
The main advantage of a Langatate crystal microbalance over a quartz crystal microbalance is that it's not limited to temperatures below 80 degrees Celsius. The target region here is 200 to 300 degrees Celsius.
To begin the procedure, thoroughly wash 2 LCMs with deionized water. Then, clean the LCMs in an ultrasound bath with deionized water and dry them in an oven at 80 degrees Celsius for several minutes. Meanwhile, clean the LCM holder, the O-rings, and the sample chamber with acetone and compressed air. Place both clean-dry LCMs on the clean-dry LCM holder and designate one LCM as the reference and one as the sample position. Then, connect the LCM holder to the oscillator by high-temperature resistant electric cables.
Pay special attention to the positions of the LCMs on the holder